So, 27th of June, Malcolm and Patricia Sheil, Killiney, County Dublin, and sorry, we're just doing the list of problems on the plumbing side of the house. We have two things out in the boiler house which I've covered in another video. One is the pump on the radiator boiler is reversed, and that needs to be flipped around at some point. It's non-urgent because it's functional even the way it is. And then the expansion vessels, both of them need to be changed. And then the final thing here are the flow meters on the underfloor. They're all faulty, as I've shown in another video. What happens is they switch on by coming up like you see them on the video now, but they do not switch off when that one is the only one that's stuck down. Oh, sorry, it is down because that's off, but they don't, when we switch off, they don't go down, so you can't tell where there is flow and where there isn't. So there's 18 of those should be replaced at this point with newer ones. The actuators are okay, but yeah, they'd be fine, but all this wiring really does need to be tidied up, and it should be put through what's called a logic strip, really, so that you can tell which stats are. There's just a strip of lights, and you can tell whether the office is on or the kitchen is on, or at one point here, which helps in diagnosing yourself and the homeowner, diagnosing when there's a problem with any given zone, whether it's calling for heat or not. That's all modern underfloor systems are done with logic strips now, and that would be a point at which we'd be tidying up the wiring as well. So we fit logic strip, replace the stats, I'll come back to that, underfloor heating timers, and the wiring tidy. Yeah. So this timer isn't working either, so the best we can do is press the 1 hour thing. We get the underfloor to come on for 1 hour, and then it'll just stop. So you need to keep coming back to that and pressing it to keep the underfloor going at the moment. So that definitely has to be replaced.